what's up guys, welcome back to Rap Lab. We haven't made a video in a little while. We were kind of busy with the new year, remodeling everything, so we'll show you the shop. But today, we have this Polaris Ranger Extreme Duty 1500 thing. We're going to be wrapping, everything that you see that is red is going to be wrapped camo color. And it's an actual camo wrap, like we're not making the camo custom. But we did remodel the shop. So over here, we set up some Formula 1 stuff, some flags, we got these cool hex lights. And then we redid the hex lights up here. All of our tinting stuff is in this corner. We put the tint glass on the window, so it's a lot easier to get to. And then the tint glass on the window. The tint glass on the wall, it's a lot easier to get to. This is Danny's car. We're gonna do some fun stuff to that, so we'll show you that video. There's my Mazda 6 there. We're gonna film a bunch of how-tos on that car, like tinting, chrome delete, brake pads, all that fun stuff. And then as you can see, there's more hex lights over there. So, but yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get wrapping the Polaris now. Okay, so I was cleaning the car up, and Danny decided to just start ripping all the panels off. So I guess we're just gonna take all the panels off, which will make it a lot easier to wrap. So as soon as we're done with all that, we'll start wrapping it.
This is the rear driver's side door panel. It's going a camo color. It's like a black and gray camo, so we can't really leave the door handle area red because it's gonna look goofy. So we opted to do it in KPMF matte phantom black. Just give it a nice little contrast. It's a bunch of pieces, as you can see. A bunch of inlays just because of how recessed and how deep these edges are. So it'll be one piece and then probably like 9 or 10 more pieces.
Okay, so the inlays on the doors are done. So we're gonna start wrapping them now. This is the wrap though. You can show you. Can you do it? I'll film you.
Inlays on the doors are knocked out. This is gonna be the camo color that we're doing. Pull it out of here. So this is printed. It's Metro Jumbo Camo. It's basically black, gray, and then a different gray. Just putting the doors back on because when we put the camo pattern on, we want to put it all on one side so it all kind of goes together.
Like all in one piece?
Correct.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Sorry we didn't film that much, we were just really busy, but Polaris is done. We also tinted it. Shout out Jeff from TNT Tinting. What's up?
Oh my god.
I had to do a little fucking 360. Is that good?
Yes,
like,
bro.
comment, and subscribe. This video's gonna suck, bro. I didn't film that much. You want some goldfish? I'll take one. No, bro, no.
It's cheddar goldfish, bro.
Baked. 100% real cheese. And you look at the ingredients, fake cheese. Fucking lying, bro. I don't want it. No.
No, the first ingredient is enriched wheat flour. And then cheddar cheese, cultured milk, salt, enzymes. I don't know what annatto is. Oh, there's sunflower oil. Contains bioengineered food ingredients.
Yeah, it's 100% real cheese, bro.